Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the World Economic Forum's online Davos Agenda Summit today, touching on the coronavirus pandemic and how India dealt with the global issue. PM Modi said India was among the few nations that managed to save the most lives during the pandemic. This comes a week after India started a mass inoculation drive. The Davos Dialogues agenda marks the launch of the World Economic Forum's Great Reset initiative in the post COVID 19 world. PM Modi addressed the Davos dialogue via video conferencing, the Prime Minister's office said in a statement on Wednesday. More than 400 top industry leaders from across the globe will attend the session, wherein the Prime Minister will be speaking on the fourth industrial revolutionizing technology for the good of humanity. The central government said on Thursday it had curbed an increase in the COVID 19 infections as a fifth of its district had reported not a single new cases for the week. The flattening of the curve comes as India started its vaccination program 2 weeks ago with 24 lakh frontline workers being covered till now. The country has recorded the highest number of cases in the world after the United States, though the rate of infection has come down significantly since a mid-September peak. Some studies have suggested pockets of India have attained herd immunity through natural infection. The Indore bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court on Thursday rejected bail to comedian Munawar Farooqui for hurting religious sentiments, saying that it was the constitutional duty of every citizen to promote brotherhood and harmony. Indore police had arrested Farooqui and his 4 associates after a complaint from Eklavya Gaur, son of Indore-based BJP MLA Malini Gaur, alleged that he insulted religious sentiments of Hindus. 29-year-old Munawar Farooqui was arrested by Indore police on 2nd January, a day after he was detained from Monroe Cafe on 1st of January. Bharatiya Kisan Union spokesperson Rakesh Tikait, who is among the 37 farmer leaders named by the police in January 26 Delhi violence case FIR, has said that the violence which took place on Republic Day in the national capital was a conspiracy to malign the farmer unions and distance Punjab from the rest of the country. The violence that occurred on January 26th and the Red Fort incident was a conspiracy to break the farmers' movement, and the government has succeeded in doing that, Tikait said. The Bengal Assembly has passed a resolution against the centre's contentious farm laws amid din and ruckus. The resolution, moved by the ruling Trinamool Congress, faced uproar in the House as the BJP MLAs rushed to the well of the House, led by their legislative party leader Manoj Tigga, to protest and later walked out of the Assembly, chanting Jai Shri Ram. The resolution, tabled by the State Parliamentary Affairs Minister Partha Chatterjee, termed the 3 farm laws as anti-farmer and favourable to corporates. It said the laws would create a situation where the government would be forced to stop the purchase of farm produce, leading to the collapse of public distribution system and an uptick in hoarding and black marketing. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.